Welcome to Tune Up Tuesday with Kaizen 724. Tune Up Tuesdays are about creating focus on your continuous improvement efforts and maintaining your improvement gains.
Put on that safety harness and let's get racing. All right, tuning up implies improving performance. It's your responsibility as a leader to make things better. In fact, you might say that continuous improvement is implied in your job description. It's important that you provide a clear vision of one solidly defined improvement project to your team at least every month. Ensure that each team member understands their contribution to the solution, and keep the team engaged intellectually and emotionally and physically. And it's easier to do when you provide a clear definition of the problem. So how do we do that? Defining is the first level of action in the Six Sigma process improvement methodology. Defining is using dates, data, results, and revenue to help the team understand the scope and what is at stake in this project. So how do you do a great job of defining your challenge? Let's walk through an example. Number one, begin with dates. For example, from January 13th through April 3rd. Number two, use data. For example, production has declined by 3% month over month. Number three, use results. For example, you could say, resulting in a 15% increase in back orders. And number four, use revenue. For example, you could say, costing the company $75,000 in lost revenue from canceled orders. So let's put that all together, and what would it sound like using dates, data, results, and revenue? Here goes. From January 13th through April 3rd, production has declined by 3% month over month, resulting in a 15% increase in back orders, costing the company $75,000 in lost revenue from canceled orders. A clear definition like this will help you and your team understand the issues at hand and will provide information as to the scope of the project. Every week, all on your team should be clear about what your most important improvement project is. That way they can support you and truly understand how their work contributes to better solutions. That's it for Tune Up Tuesday. Let's go out and make things better.